Hey everybody, Gears here, and I've been talking about the need for this surgery here. It was whatever distance over there compared to less than that here, and my concern is that when this raises, this is the closest point to where the window sprayer is for the wipers, right? This line here. If we go over and look at the car with the trunk lid up, alright, so this cuts across this whole area, then it cuts down way in like that, and that is where theoretically that line is, the edge of that little circle. So if that is off by even a little, it's going to be hitting, and that's going to be causing stress, and that'll stress me out, and I don't want that to happen. So even though it's a fingertip difference, you can see here that a fingertip is a pretty huge difference when it comes to this kind of thing, when you got that kind of severe gradation going on. In fact, hold on a second. I've just taken the opportunity to wipe the glass down so I can take this dry erase marker and do this to it. And that comes all the way down to there. Now let's cap this marker here. Oops. So let's say I have this window out and the casting is done and I'm trying to fit it here. Luckily, I do have these 4 attachment points down there, over here, up here. Theoretically, I'll be able to put the casting in place, mark these points with a pen, and then potentially fiberglass some kind of L bracket in here so it comes down through there, but it has a lot of surface area elsewhere to give it some strength. Simply fiberglassing a bolt head, I don't think that would be strong enough. And I'll need to see it when the glass is out to know what this really looks like, but I could also fiberglass after the fact some little U-channels or overlaps, a little flap essentially that could lap over that and it would lock into place. And then down here I would have some kind of slot with a latch maybe that I could put things into place to help hold them there. So once the casting is done, that's only part of the trouble. Not only is there the big body here, there's the flap going across all the middle here. Potentially I can drill through this little bit of space and do some kind of attachment going up there. I don't know that I'll catch it right now, but looking through these holes, every now and then you can see some sky, which is these guys right here. So that one, these 2 in the middle, and this little guy are the ones that hold on the original fender. These 2 spots are for the Nissan logo. And I'll have to go back to the key to pop this open again. But what I'm hoping to do is drill straight through here, put some bolts through there to attach this piece. Initially I had been thinking I might be able, this is the windshield wiper access. I was hoping to be able to use that, but that's going to just miss. So that's probably just as well. And then what I haven't accounted for is the depth of this glass. So I have a casting of this shape overall as you see it here. But I have not accounted for the additional depth that the glass sits in. So once this is in place, once I do have the casting done, I have to measure this glass and then fiberglass that much distance around all the edges to make up for that shortfall. How I'm going to weather strip this whole thing into place, I don't know yet. Probably some kind of caulk around the edges first and then set it down. How I'm going to glue it into place, I'm not quite sure yet. But it's not quite getting ahead of myself, but that's definitely the kind of stuff I need to start thinking about now, so I'm not too far behind myself when I get there. So I guess that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. See ya.